Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create gradient button like this, and we will see how to add these hover effects, and we will see how to create a attractive button like this using CSS. So let's get started. So let's go to the screen, and I'm opening an HTML document. So here I have just a simple tag, simple button tag, and have some properties. And here the main property behind this animation or hover effect is background linear gradient, box shadow, and background position and background size. This hover property will add these effects. So let's create this. So we are opening VS Code and browser side by side so that we can see the live changes. So currently I have this type button, and let's start adding backgrounds, linear gradient background for this. So here I'm adding background and I'm adding linear gradient. I will just add to right to make the color flow from left to right. I will just add random background first, and then we will change according to our design. So I'm just adding background red, blue, whatever, you can add anything, and later you can just inspect and change the color. Okay, so currently button is looking like this. And one more property we have to add, we have to make the background text color as white, and let's add font size as well to increase the font size. I'm adding 18 pixel font size, and now let's just inspect and change the button background color according to our need. So I'm just inspecting this and change the color as we need it. Let's create the first color like this or something like this, and the second color will be something like this. And the third color I will keep this as like this, and the fourth one will add something green values. And now we had changed the color. Let's copy it and add it to our code. Just replace it. And now we have to add background size so that we can initially show only two colors, these two colors only initially. So initially we can see there are two colors only visible, the first and second color. And on hover of this button I will change the background position back to 100% and 0 to move these raised two colors to the left side. So if I hover on this, you can see there is shift in colors from right to left. Currently is not visible because we have not added the transition on this button. So let's first add the transition so that we can see the effect transition or 0.3s. So now if I hover, you can see the changes. And let's add the box shadow as well. I will add 0, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, and let's add any color, or let's add lime color, and later we will change according to our need. Let's inspect it and change this color according to our requirement. So I will add just something like this color, and we will adjust this color from inspect tool, and I think this looking good. So I will just copy this and add this into our code, and the button is ready now. You can see one more thing we can change, that this is cursor. We can change the cursor to pointer so that when you hover, the thumb icon is visible so that users understand that the button is clickable or not. So using these two properties, the background size and background position, you can animate any button according to your need and according to your button types, what button types you need. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and the next video will see about CSS animation, how you can use CSS animation to create different type of animation for the buttons, and also the different things like carousel or different type of things using CSS animation. So stay connected and subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. Thanks for watching.